show you our all-time favorite brownie. Brownies today, but this is going to be an eggless brownie. So people who don't eat eggs, can enjoy making these brownies. Now the ingredients for these veg brownies or eggless brownies are: we are going to use refined flour 150 grams. Then we have powder sugar, which is 75 grams. Here we have margarine, you can use butter, which is 75 grams. Then this is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate we have chopped and kept. Okay, Mordek's dark chocolate. This is about 120 grams. Okay. Then this is Milkmaid, condensed Milkmaid. So this is about 200 grams. That is half the tin. Then we have baking soda here, which I am going to use half a teaspoon. Then we have baking powder, which is again quarter teaspoon, and here this is vanilla essence and water. Please measure the water accurately. It's 90 ml of water. So I'm going to start now. I'm going to first boil the water here. So let me switch this on. I'm going to add the water here. Once the water begins to boil, I'm going to stop and I'm going to add the chocolate. Please chop the chocolate and keep, otherwise it will take a long time for the chocolate to melt. So therefore we have chopped this chocolate. Yeah, it started boiling, almost another minute. Started boiling. I'm going to switch this off and I'm going to add the chocolate. So again I repeat, 90 ml of water and 120 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to take this off. See that the chocolate melts. Then what we are going to do is we are going to start creaming the butter and the margarine and the powder sugar. Okay. So I'll keep this on the side and we will start creaming. So I have added the margarine in a bowl. I have put it in a glass bowl so that you can see. And I'm going to soften it up a little bit. I've kept a duster to get a good grip. Now this brownies originated in Chicago in a hotel called the Palmer Hotel. Okay, this hotel was owned by a couple, Porter and Beth. Now this Beth Palmer, she was a socialite, and the ladies decided to have an exposition, a conference. So, but they did not want the ladies to go for lunch. As in, they wanted them to be sitting in the conference room and having their lunch. So they wanted finger food dessert, something which did not require fork and spoon. So sandwiches, wafers. So now the sweet, they decided that what should be given. They were contemplating. So they asked the chef at the Palmer Hotel to try out something. Okay, now this has softened a little bit. I'm going to add the sugar. Part by part, as you all know. Even if it's an eggless cake, the method will be the same. Keep cleaning the sides of the bowl. So coming back to our story, the chefs started trying out a lot of things. Finally, they zeroed in on this brownie. That's how it became popular. Now there are so many variations. You can add so many things. You can add Kit Kat, Oreo, different chocolates, Ferrero Rocher. You can add raisins soaked in rum. So the basic recipe remains the same. Only thing, you keep adding something extra and call the brownie by that name. So can you see, I am just pushing everything down so that I can cream it well. I am adding the third lot of the margarine of the powdered sugar. There is no method when you are doing eggless, na? There is no particular method. You just go on mixing everything. That's one after the other. All the ingredients are just incorporated into it. That's about it. Okay, now one last time I'm going to cream, then I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. It's 75 grams of butter or margarine and 75 grams of sugar. Okay, once this is done, then we are going to add the milk maid. This is 200 grams of milk maid. I'm going to push everything to the base of the vessel and I'm going to mix. Again, push everything to the base, clean the bowl. Then we will add the melted chocolate. After you add the chocolate, you just mix again. Add the vanilla essence. Now once this chocolate is mixed properly, we are going to add the flour here. I'm just going to clean the wooden spoon. Again, mix this properly and we are going to add the flour. Now for the flour, what we are going to do is I'm going to take flour here. 150 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, because this is an eggless cake, we always need extra aerating agents. So therefore, extra baking soda, that is 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now once you have sieved the flour along with the soda and baking powder, what we will do is we are going to just mix all this now. Again here, no vigorous movements, just mix. If you are using an electric hand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer here. Then what we are going to do is, now suppose you want to put say Ferrero Rocher, you can put in this, you can add chopped Oreo biscuits. So it depends what you want to add. Today we are going to add walnuts. We are making walnut brownies. So we will add a few walnuts here. These are flaked walnuts, if you can see. We'll add some. Again incorporate the walnuts. One thing we should remember, that when you are using baking soda, it starts reacting at room temperature. So therefore, we have to be a little quick. What we have done is we have greased and lined a 1 kilo cake tin. Now what I'll do is I am going to put the batter in here. Just spread it, and that's about it. Remember, the brownies should not have a good height, okay? Just say 1.5 inch, that is the height of the brownie. So that's why even here we have not put too much of batter. You can see it's just a little, say about an inch or so, okay? Then I'll just clean this up a little bit. No banging of the tin or anything, okay? That's it. Then what we will do is we will sprinkle some walnuts on top of this. Then we are going to put it in a hot preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes. That's it.